Hi, I just wanted to record a quick video about some error that I have seen with some people on their programs. So suppose you have a template class open and you're working on your code, and then you do some stuff with it, and then you save it as something else. So I'm going to hit Save a Copy. And let's say I call that template B. So now I have a copy of it saved. Well, if I have that and I have the copy open, if I have both these files open and I try to compile them, I'm going to get an error, even though there's nothing wrong with the code. It has to do with the name of the class. You see, it says template1 is already defined, because it is. It's right here. These two programs have the same class name, T01 lesson 1 template. And this one is also called T01 lesson 1 template. So it's a good habit to get into, to start naming your classes the same as the file name. So we're going to call this T1 underscore lesson 1 underscore template. I'm just going to copy that so I don't have to save it again. And then I'm going to come over here, hit save, come over to the B1, and I'm going to change this one so it's B. Now when I save this and compile it, there's no issues. There's no conflicting with this object. Compile this one, because when you hit compile, everything compiles. This is Dr. Java's way of handling classes. If the file is open, it is considered imported into the environment. So Dr. Java has access to all of the classes inside of that window there on the left. You can pick and choose as to what classes you want open, but if you have them open, Dr. Java will assume that they are running all in the same environment. If you don't want them to run in the same environment, you can make sure the class is closed. So just by hitting close, it'll close the file. Or make sure that the templates are named, or the files are named differently, and that each class has the same name as the file name. So that might help some of you solve some of the errors you might have seen. Let me know if there's a problem. Send me an email.